Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about why our Indian rupee is falling, and I'll be talking about a little news article in this video. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to my channel and also turn on the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of intraday trading strategy tricks, tips and a lot of things regarding the stock market. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market, if you're unable to make money constantly in the stock market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. To know all the details, you can visit the blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is given in the description below of this video. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So many of the people who got into my trading program are now making money constantly in the stock market, and also they will recover the loss, and also they're making good money. So you can see all this earning proof here, and also many of the clients has won the Zerodha 6 days challenge. Even that has been displayed here. Okay, and you can see all the latest and recent earning proof with the ledgers. So you can go through all of this, and if you're interested to join us and to make money constantly, you can definitely join us now. To join us, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also here you can see feedback messages from my clients after taking the course. So these are all the feedback messages what I have got. So I can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join us to make money constantly like this, you can definitely join us now. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the why the rupee is falling and what will impact for the stock market. So here is a little news article what I've collected. So I'll be sharing this with you guys. Okay, so the rupees slipped below the 72 mark for the first time ever on Thursday, even as US dollar eased a bit in global market. The local currency has fallen more than 12% on a year to date basis, making it one of the worst performing currency among emerging market. Earlier in the day, the rupees resumed higher at 71.65. Again, yesterday closing level was 71.75, a dollar at a interbank foreign exchange market here. According to the media reports, the RBI might have sold dollar in the morning session to prevent rupee from falling towards 72 level. However, the rupee was trading 29 paisa down at 72.05 at around 12:45 p.m. IST. Soumya Kanti Ghosh, Group Chief Economic Advisor SBI, said that the rupee depression of 13% in 2018 and around 7% since June 2018, when the RBI started hiking the rates, is largely in concerns with dollar strengthening against all the currencies. The rupees could not have been immune to such, and hence the stock market depression was long overdue, and trend in NDF market rupees at 75 and emailed 1 year yield at 7.7% suggests the pain might not be just got over yet. So dollar has fallen, as you can see in the screenshot. Financial Minister Arun Jaitley on Wednesday attributed the fall in rupees to global factors and said there are no need to be panic or knee-jerk reaction. He further said the RBI is doing whatever is necessary to deal the situation. Meanwhile, the Reuters poll on Thursday showed that the bearish bets the rupees will weaken further rose to the again highest level in 5 years over the past 2 weeks as the unit hit fresh lows. The rupees had its worst month in 3 years in August as crude railed on suspicion assassination on iron will shrink global supplies. The crude import bill, the world's fastest growing oil user, surged 76% in July from the year earlier $10.2 billion. That published up to the trade effect defect to $18 billion, the most in 5 years, a Bloomberg report said. India imports nearly 83% of its crude oil requirement. So this is the reason why the fuel rates are fluctuating in India, guys. Okay, so this is a little news what I wanted to share regarding the Indian rupees what is falling. So hope this will also affect the trading. So make sure you be safer on that. So thank you guys for watching the video. Have a good day and see you in the next one.